Alright, so this week's grocery haul is at Kroger's. I'm not. We're at Kroger's. It's sweet. Not getting a lot. I want to try these mangoes. Probably not gonna get a lot of these. Got the bananas. Let's see, what other fruit do we want to get? Let's get the strawberries. The 32 ounces at $2.88 and the 16 ounces $2.99. Is it a different brand?
I think it's just has a special. That's what I'm trying to look it up as well.
We're still in Kroger's. I think I'm going to get this. Do need some bread. All right, so we're still in Kroger's. I said I wasn't going to get a lot. I'm not going to get a lot. Just a few things at Kroger's. Kroger's. Not getting a lot out of here. These are getting yogurt, but I don't see my yogurt. I don't see the one I normally get. I want the Oreo one. I don't want that.
Yeah, you gotta come here early, man.
Yeah. Where it's no crowds.
Oh, that's a Jackson.
22. Wow.
Try it.
Yeah.
It's good.
Oh, you want me to try it?
This is bueno. Es súper, hermano. Es bueno.
Bueno.
Es tú, para ti. The red
Let's do a little bit, like a half a pound of the red.